Introducing BenchLab, a real-time system telemetry solution for PC DIY enthusiasts developed by Open Benchtable and ElmorLabs. The BenchLab software allows you to effortlessly monitor critical system metrics including temperature, power usage and voltage levels, as well as conveniently manage system fan speeds. You can also export the telemetry data from the BenchLab software to HWiNFO. BenchLab offers a wide range of data inputs for system monitoring, including two 12-volt high-power connectors, 13 voltage measurement points, 5 temperature sensor inputs, and support for up to 9 system fans. Designed to seamlessly integrate with your Open Benchtable, BenchLab is the perfect companion for your PC DIY project. 30 ARGB LEDs fitted on the backside of the PCB provide you with a stunning customizable visual backdrop. BenchLab is available now for purchase from our official BenchLab webshop, as well as through Open Benchtable and ElmorLabs online web stores. BenchLab, a collaborative innovation by Open Benchtable and ElmorLabs.